What's going on, guys? Good morning and welcome to day 172 of our 365-day vlog challenge. We got the sunshine of my life here with me. Hey, you are the light of my life. You know that? I love you. But it's about 1 in the afternoon. I wanted to just, look, she won't even get off me because she loved me. It's about 1 in the afternoon now. People are out here watching movies and stuff. I just got done recording 2 videos. I just got done recording 2 videos. One of them will go up today or tomorrow. I gotta edit it now. And then the other one will go up some other time. But we got all that taken care of. Now it's time to get this going. We got Kyle in here about to smack on some Rice Krispies. Kyle, what movie did you see last night?
Goosebumps.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Wait, isn't that like a kid's movie? Like the childhood movie?
Well, it's PG, so...
Bro, you once saw a PG movie?
Yeah.
It's actually okay and cool to watch a PG movie on vacation.
Just kidding, Mom. It's a joke.
It's really good, actually.
That's good, that's good. But so we just got our 2 videos recorded, both awesome videos. I'm going to go ahead and start editing them. Get one up probably today, one tomorrow. I don't know if one tomorrow, maybe one today, one Wednesday. Actually, I'll try to do one today, one tomorrow. We'll see. Actually, we'll have him edit it. We'll get him into video editing. Kyle, you want to learn how to video edit?
I know how to video edit.
Cool. Actually, he'll be editing our videos then. And I'll give you $1. But yeah, so we got that dude. We got Mama out here doing Mama things. And yeah, so hope y'all had a great day yesterday. I hope you enjoyed the vlog yesterday. By the way, Claire, I think I know who's disliking our videos.
It's not me.
It's you.
Come
I
here.
think it's you.
Let me show you.
I think it's you, Claire.
Hold on.
Because whoever's doing it dislikes it like in 10 seconds of it being up. Well, people are yelling, I can't have this. Ah!
Watch. Oops.
Did you like the video?
I haven't even watched it yet. Oh, look.
She hasn't even watched it yet. Huh.
Thumbs up. Look.
We'll see.
Thumbs up.
She did thumbs up.
And this
We'll
one,
see.
I haven't even...
It's too loud in here. But guys, I hope you all had a great day. I'll see you.
This one, I didn't even...
I'm vlogging around the house when I'm riding on my swagway. What's up?
You sharing your bed or you
Yeah.
sitting on the couch?
I mean, I guess, who's in Kyle's room? Who's in little Kyle's room?
Kyle?
Big Kyle's in...
You're sleeping with Caleb.
Yeah, probably. Y'all see him later tonight. I gotta edit videos and then I gotta stream. We just went out to lunch. But look at that. Ooh, we whipping. Yeah, we whipping. Ooh. But Kyle's up in here on the grind. Let's go see how Kyle's doing, guys. We gotta drive carefully, you know. What's up, Kyle? What are you doing, dude?
Nothing good.
Nothing good?
More insurance.
Just spending that money?
Yep.
Making that dough?
No.
No, just spending the dough. But he's buying car insurance for his new truck. You know, that Ford 2015 Raptor F-150 9-inch lift kit, 21-inch rims. Oh, I'm kidding. But yeah, so nothing really. I have to edit videos. After the videos are edited, then I'm probably going to stream. And then after the stream, I don't know. I'll figure it out. Streaming style will be interesting. There's going to be a lot of people in the house, and everyone's really loud. So we'll see. But we'll see how it goes. So guys, some info. Tomorrow, this will be different. This is the specs to my computer right now. Tomorrow, I am headed to actually upgrade some stuff. RAM, that's going to be 16 tomorrow. Motherboard might be different. Graphics card will probably be the same. That's the most expensive one. But tomorrow, for sure, this will be different. Super hibbity hype. This is awesome.
Thank you for watching day 173? 2. Thank you for watching day 172 of the 365-day vlog challenge. Don't ask about my face. It was kudos to her. I have friends over. We're partying in Caleb's room. We're about to. Hopefully you saw the live stream of us doing his makeup because it's gonna be really funny. Okay. So I hope y'all had a great night, great day, great whatever, and we will see y'all tomorrow.
Chat.